Hey guys, what's going on? It's me, Destiny here. Happy New Year's. I haven't done a video in a while, but I wanted to hit you guys with this really quick Wig Encounters wig review. This is an Indian Remy natural black curly wig. It's 16 inches long, which is not too long, but I did go ahead and cut it a little bit. The hairline is 130% density and the back is 150% density, and it is a glueless lace cap. There's baby hair on the perimeter, and it has a natural pre-plucked hairline. Has Swiss lace material. It's soft yet very durable, and I think it actually matches my scalp pretty nicely without any coloring. The knots around the perimeter are bleached, but not all over the whole wig because that can cause shedding. Alright, so jumping right into the wig, I really liked it at the length it was in, but I really wanted to add a little bit more shape and style to it. And then again, the wig was also just a little bit too big for me, so I decided to go ahead and try to cut out a little piece to make it fit me a little better. So as you can see, I went ahead and I cut out a little triangle piece in the wig just to make it fit a little bit better, and then I went ahead and I sewed this together. Doing this made it fit really tight. I didn't have to add a strap or do anything like that, so I just went ahead and cut the lace off. Everything fit perfectly from that point. So once removing the lace and putting it up there, it fits really naturally. This is a free parting unit, so I can do a part in the middle, I can do a part on either side, depending on how I feel about it, but I did decide to go ahead and do a little bit of a side part, and then I wanted to go ahead and add a little bit of style into this wig by cutting it with some layers and different things like that. So here you'll see I'm just cutting it in to add like a little bit of shorter layers on top to give it a little bit more volume, make it a little bit more full. And I was playing with the shape. I like the shape. I like the length at about shoulder at the longest, and then with a little bit of short layers on top, so I went ahead and did that. You'll see me adding some mousse and some different things to kind of really make the curls pop. I really like this unit. Number one, it's super light and it's free parting. As you can see, I can part anywhere I want, but it's not too dense, but it's dense enough to get that fullness. And when you add the mousse, it still maintains a really good fullness without being heavy, without being, you know, just overpowering on your head, without feeling like, okay, if I do anything, if I turn my head too fast, this wig is gonna fall off my head. I really like this unit, how it styles out with gel and mousse. It becomes really pretty and it holds really nice curls. Also, when it's dry and you pull the curls apart, you can get like a really nice wavy texture without it being too curly. I like wigs that are not too dense because you can fit a hat over them, you can wear them to the gym without it being just overbearing and just hard to wear. Sometimes wigs you're just like, okay, this is a really pretty wig, but it's heavy, it's thick, it's hurting behind my ear. Sometimes the strap gets in the way. You didn't have to do a strap, and you also don't have to glue this down. So I really like that a lot. You can go ahead and put a little bit of foundation on the lace to make it look ultra natural. It has a really nice texture, but it's manageable, and I really like this unit. I will have a discount code in the bottom bar if you guys are interested in checking out Wig Encounters. All their wigs come with a strap and a nice box and a booklet and a whole bunch of ideas and different things like that if you guys are interested in checking them out. Alright guys, so as always, I want to thank you so much for checking out this video. I hope you like this unit. I will have more information in the bottom bar as always. I appreciate you for checking out my videos. Thank you for commenting, rating, and subscribing. I'll be in touch and hopefully you'll do the same. Bye guys.